In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wix website in under 10 minutes. It's easier than it might seem, and you don't need any technical expertise to get started. You just need a bit of creativity and a sense of what you want your website to say about you or your business. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to wix.com. Once you're there, you'll need to access the My Sites section. If you haven't already created an account with Wix, take a quick moment to sign up. It's a straightforward process, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, eagerly awaiting your creativity. Next, on the dashboard, look for the Create New Site button and give it a click. Wix will immediately prompt you with a few helpful questions about the site you want to build. Choose the Create with Wix Editor option. This is perfect for those eager to add a personal touch to their site's design. After that, you'll want to choose Setup without chat. This keeps the setup streamlined and focused. Now, take a moment to specify the type of website you'd like to create. Enter the category that best suits your vision. Whether it's a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, this decision will help Wix tailor your experience. Once you've done that, hit Continue. With your site's category defined, it's time to start thinking about design. Click on Design Site to begin crafting your website's look. Here, you'll have the option to pick a template. Pete. Wix offers a plethora of visually stunning, customizable templates to kickstart your site's design. Browse through the templates and choose one that speaks to your aesthetic or functional criteria. After selecting your template, go ahead and click Edit. This action takes you into Wix's user-friendly editing environment, where you can truly bring your ideas to life. You can begin adding elements such as text boxes, images, buttons, and more. This is where you let your creativity shine, making your website uniquely yours. Additionally, you can enhance the design by adding sections to further organize your content. Explore the Pages and Menu options to structure your site effectively. Don't forget the site design settings where you can switch up the overall color schemes and typography. To further enrich your site, explore the Add Apps section. Here you can integrate additional functionalities like email marketing tools or social media integrations. This is a great way to make your site even more dynamic and user-friendly. Finally, the Media section allows you to incorporate visual content seamlessly. Upload your images or videos to give a personalized touch that resonates with your audience, and there you have it. A complete website from concept to design in just under 10 minutes. Remember, it's all about making it your own. So feel free to experiment and adjust as you go along. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.